Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best IKEA desk chair alternatives that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the YFO Home Office Desk Chair in brown leather. This chair combines a sleek, retro design with ergonomic comfort, making it a great option for those who want style and functionality. The diamond-patterned PU leather finish is not only waterproof and easy to clean, but also gives a sophisticated vibe suitable for a home office, bedroom, or living room setup. The chair features a well-padded backrest and seat cushion, reinforced by a spring pack for added durability. The adjustable height and reclining functionality provide flexibility for users of various sizes, while the rubber casters ensure smooth, silent movement across multiple floor types like wood, carpet, or marble. One unique perk is its 2-in-1 design. You can choose to install armrests or use it as an armless chair, which is perfect for cross-legged seating during long hours. While this chair excels in design and comfort, the lack of a clear price point may make it less appealing for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, at £42, it's the heaviest on our list, which might be a drawback for users who need portability. Nevertheless, with its sturdy construction and versatility, this chair is ideal for someone seeking a stylish and ergonomic solution. At rank number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Rolling Desk Chair. This chair is a solid mid-range option, offering an ergonomic design with a breathable mesh back for enhanced airflow and comfort during long work sessions. The padded seat ensures a comfortable sitting experience, while the pneumatic height adjustment allows for customization to suit your desk setup. One of its standout features is its smooth rolling caster wheels, which make navigating your workspace effortless. At just 16.75 pounds, this chair is lightweight yet sturdy, supporting up to 275 pounds. Its modern design makes it a good fit for home offices or small workspaces, and the straightforward assembly process is a bonus for users who prefer hassle-free setup. On the downside, this chair lacks advanced features like tilt control or adjustable armrests, which may limit its appeal for those who prioritize customization. However, for its price point and reliability, the Amazon Basics Rolling Desk Chair is a great pick for anyone seeking a budget-friendly ergonomic chair for everyday use. Coming in at rank number 3 is the Flash Furniture Elon Series Plastic Modern Dining Chair. Although primarily marketed as a dining chair, it doubles as a stylish desk chair for modern home offices. Its mid-century design features a curved matte white seat paired with wooden legs and metal bracing, making it a visually appealing addition to any room. The comfort-molded plastic seat includes a waterfall edge to reduce pressure on your legs, ensuring a pleasant seating experience. At just 9 pounds, this chair is incredibly lightweight, yet it supports up to 280 pounds, which speaks to its sturdy construction. Protective floor glides on the legs prevent scratches, making it suitable for hard flooring surfaces. However, this chair lacks ergonomic features like adjustable height or lumbar support, which may not make it ideal for extended work sessions. Still, its aesthetic appeal and functionality as both a dining and desk chair make it a versatile choice for those looking to elevate their workspace with a touch of style. At rank number 2, we have the Best Office Home Office Chair, a budget-friendly option priced at just $39.98. Despite its low price, this chair offers a range of features that make it a compelling choice for home office users. Its ergonomic design includes lumbar support and armrests that conform to the human body, ensuring comfort during long hours of sitting. The chair's mesh back enhances airflow to keep you cool, while the high-density sponge cushion provides flexibility and support. It's easy to assemble, requiring only 10 to 15 minutes, and its adjustable height accommodates users of different sizes. The chair supports up to 250 pounds and includes BIFMA-certified components for safety and durability. While it's a great option for those on a tight budget, the chair lacks advanced adjustability features like tilt control and may not provide adequate support for taller users. Still, for its price point, the Best Office Home Office Chair is a fantastic entry-level option for anyone setting up a workspace on a budget. Finally, at rank number 1, we have the Amazon Basics Classic PureSoft PU Padded Mid-Back Office Chair. This chair is the premium option in this lineup, and it delivers the best combination of comfort, adjustability, and build quality. Its PureSoft PU upholstery provides a luxurious feel, while the contoured padding on the seat, backrest, and armrests offers excellent support for extended use. This chair is highly adjustable, featuring seat height adjustment, tilt control, and a customizable seat angle to suit your posture needs. The durable KD metal base and caster wheels ensure smooth mobility, and it supports up to 275 pounds, showcasing its robust construction. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to the clearly organized instructions and components. The only downside is its higher price point of $79.98, which might not fit every budget. However, for those willing to invest in a high-quality chair that balances style, comfort, and functionality, the Amazon Basics Classic PureSoft PU chair is a top choice. It's perfect for professionals who spend hours at their desks and want a reliable chair to support their workday. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.